So this is the omni wheel. This is the final product. This is what we are intending to do. Here you see the omni wheel with the plates, the rollers, the pins already inside, and this is the screw hub that secures the shaft. Now to show you the parts. These are the parts that make up the omni wheel. These are bigger so that we can show you more details. These were designed on SolidWorks and 3D printed. These are the pins that hold the rollers inside the omni wheel, and this is basically how it's assembled. You put this one and so you just basically put it on top. You put obviously all the rollers in the right places, and you just fasten it with the screws that you can purchase. What we did is in a smaller version because it's easier to turn for our motors. What we also did is we made sure that there was a higher frequency around the circumference of the rollers because we want the roller, the car, to be able to move in this direction.
Okay, this is the component for our robot. We have a 9-volt connected to the Arduino. Connected to the Arduino, we have 2 H-bridges to control 2 motors each. One H-bridge will control 2 motors that's across from each other, and the other one will control the other 2. For the H-bridge, we have a 12-volt battery holder to power each of the H-bridge. What the H-brake does is it allows the motors to travel in different directions by changing the polarity of the inputs. This allows the motor to travel in forward and backward without having to put extra wiring into the Arduino. And as you can see, our Arduino is already full. We use all the input pins for both the H-bridges. And we added a joystick to allow our robot to move forward and backward.
I can't drive.
No, see, now it...
That was driver mistake.
The wheel. Yeah. We got this.
Okay. Alright, here I go.